Make a great choice today with the 2024 Macan. The Porsche Macan is built for an intensive life in which the thirst for experience and thrills are ever present. It comes with a tremendously dynamic performance, luxurious interiors, and amazing safety features. This vehicle has less than 2,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: rain-sensing wipers, rear spoiler, panoramic roof, heated mirrors, all-wheel drive, aluminum wheels, wheel locks, power liftgate, daytime running lights, remote trunk release. Searching for a dependable vehicle that looks great too? You found it, so stop in today.